Stop. Bro, what are you doing? Hey, you need to go up.
Hey, just leave him, dog.
Oh my God. Hey, bro.
Hey, Josh Harmon. Don't film this.
No, you need, my boy,
We need to grow up together.
you need to pull your shit up. Look at it, man. Oh my God.
I had one voice left.
I got you. You're coming in sideways. There's no way it's gonna set. Hey, you're gonna have to pull that truck up. Don't leave the boat, Kyle. Kyle, don't leave the boat. Jesus Christ. I need a water. I need a water. Ain't no way this is going down.
We're only in the water.
Bro, is he swimming?
Yeah,
He's swimming, bro. Where the fuck did Kyle go? Oh my God.
What are you gonna do? Hold it while you drive?
I don't know what they're going to do because the boat's not set on the trailer. It's floating. Oh my God, it's not locked on. Truly, boys. Kyle, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Kyle, what are you doing? I can't. Oh God, Kyle, he has a handful of shit too. Oof, he did it. You know it's slippery. They do realize the boat's still not.
He'll probably set right smack down in the middle of it.
I hope so. It looks pretty good. It should. They need to hurry up and get it up. Ooh. Ooh. It's crooked, Kyle. That's one way to do it. That motherfucker is so crooked, bro.